Hi, my name is Aditya Siddhartha and I am from Tribly department. Today I am here to explain to you about a topic in solid state electric motor drives. The topic is three-phase fully controlled rectifier control of DC separately excited motor. Introduction. Three-phase controlled rectifiers are used in large power DC motor drives. Three-phase controlled rectifier gives more number of voltage pulses per cycle of supply frequency. This makes motor current continuous and filter requirement also less. The number of voltage pulses per cycle depends upon the number of thyristors and their connections for three-phase control rectifiers. In three-phase drives, the armature circuit is connected to the output of a three-phase control rectifier. Three-phase drives are used for high power applications up to megawatts power level. The ripple frequency of the armature voltage is higher than that of single-phase drives and it requires less inductance in the armature circuit to reduce the armature current ripple. Three-phase full converters are used in industrial applications up to 1500 kW drives. It is a two-quadrant converter, that is, the average output voltage is either positive or negative, but average output current is always positive. Principle of operation. Three-phase full converter bridge circuit connected across the armature terminals is shown in the figure 1. And figure 2. Shows the current and voltage waveforms of converter. The circuit works as a three-phase AC to DC converter for firing angle delay 0 degrees less than alpha less than 90 degrees and as a line commutated inverter for 90 degrees less than 180 degrees, which is between 0 and 90 degrees, and as a line commutated inverter for 90 and 180 degrees between. A three-phase full converter fed DC motor is performed where regeneration of power is required, that is, it performs two-quadrant operation. As we can see in three-phase full converter bridge circuit connected between armature terminals. Basically, the controlled rectifier consists of 6 thyristors arranged in the form of 3 legs with 2 series thyristors in each leg. The center points of 3 legs are connected to a 3-phase power supply. The transformer is not mandatory, but it provides the advantages of voltage level change, electric isolation, and phase shift from the primary. In a three-phase bridge, one device in the positive group, that is Q1, Q3, Q5, and another device from the negative group, that is Q4, Q6, and Q2, must conduct simultaneously to current ID. Each thyristor is normally provided with pulse train firing for the desired conduction interval. The speed of the motor can be controlled by firing angle control of the thyristors. We can see here the current and voltage waveforms of the three-phase thyristor bridge at alpha is equal to 40 degrees. We can see here three-phase thyristor bridge waveforms in inverting mode at alpha is equal to 150 degrees. Now Now the average motor armature voltage is given by VA is equal to 3 by pi integration from pi by 6 plus A to pi by 2 plus A VAB d omega t. In the above substitute, VAB is equal to root 3 Vm sin omega t plus pi by 6 d omega t. We have VA is equal to 3 root 3 by pi Vm cos alpha. Now, speed torque relations. The drive speed is given by VA is equal to EB plus IARA, where EB is equal to Ka phi omega. Then VA is equal to Ka phi omega m plus IARA. Omega m is equal to VA minus IARA by Ka phi. In separately excited DC motor, Ka phi Ia is equal to T. Therefore, omega m becomes omega m is equal to VA by Ka phi minus RA by Ka phi whole square into T. Here we can see speed and torque characteristics of the converter. Thank you.